Previously on The Real Life of Uptown Jamaicans up at St. Andrew. Girl, I am glowing.
What?
Let's just say the gardener has been sprinkling me with the water from the fountain of youth.
Oh, wait, that's an idiot.
Oi, sir, where you going?
Listen to me, Trevor. Your penis doesn't hang longer than your ball sack, okay? So what you told me you're talking to me.
Boy, my son, hand on none of my business, but you figure boxy girl.
Dad, I am not about to put my hands on my wife.
You're too soft. That's why the gardener chop it up with sitting with a long saw.
You seen that?
It looks sticky for your boy. You ain't have to go kill the gardener.
Jesus Christ. So after that think in front, tell the lady left the yard. We make a call to one of my stripper friend, them fat punash. They come over and boots up my son, he go.
Loxley, my money friend, want
The legendary fat punash. Not me girl, come meet me son.
No, sir, Loxley, the house are big and nice. Dad, who is this?
Son, meet fat punash, aka erection. Cause that you ain't gonna get before she left ya.
Yeah, you a fat front with a fat front. I'm gonna want to take a camera ball out like what?
Rebecca, this wine is so tasty. I'm gonna have to get a bottle before I get home. Nadine, you know we're not here to talk about no frigging wine. Spill the deeds on the gardener, tilling the soil and the sprinkling of the water from the fountain of youth. Girl, he is a monster. Really no? Yes, girl. Anytime, anywhere, anyhow. So I'm assuming that Trevor is in the dark about all of this? Actually, he knows, and I can just bet he's somewhere not caring right now.
Hey, girl, you make me cocky get tough like a rock.
So, my son, how you like it?
Dad, I'm not comfortable with this. My wife and my daughter live here for Christ's sakes.
And she still give about under the said mango tree and look up picnic them swing set depan. You ever see a man a swinging a one girl all it son? No, because if you see it, you'd have about 10 more girl over here.
Feel it in your belly. Your honey, the rum so again, me just should be teen. Now you come already.
Hey, turn on the Rascal music this instant.
Get wild on the body, yeah. Feel it in your belly. Your honey, the rum
So girl, him not caring is something that you wanted, right? Seeing that you always complained about his ambitions and work ethics. Rebecca, you don't have to word it like that. I just want a man that don't work as much and, able to spend some time with me. No, Nadine, we know in order to maintain your lifestyle, Trevor has to work very hard. Seeing that you don't. Rebecca, why would you say that? It's true. I'm your friend and I have to keep it real. When last you asked Trevor about his day? Not anymore since he's so busy. See? No wonder why he's so cold towards you, because you bring no value to his life. Rebecca! You know what? I'm leaving. But Nadine, I didn't mean it like that. Let me just say this, okay? I'm no longer supportive of her dirty behavior, alright? Nadine complains about how good she has it. I'm tired of hearing, oh, Trevor worked too hard, I'm not being able to see Trevor. But are you seeing that Birkin bag? Did you see those Louis Vuitton shoes you're walking in? Okay, so shut up, silly. And I don't like her from long time either, because this one time, she spread this dirty rumor at camp about me getting finger banged on the soccer field. It's a Christian camp at that. My whole summer was ruined. I cannot believe the things that came out of Rebecca's mouth. We're best friends. We went to Hillel together. We went to Moreland's camp every summer. I know it. Indeed, I know it. She's always been a whore though, okay? She got finger banged on the damn soccer field. Come here judging me, bitch. Hey girl. Pray out the batija. Pray out the batija, let me rest at night.
I am Trevor from Upper St. Andrew. Shake that buttocks for me, bro. Shake that buttocks.
Trevor, what the hell is this?
Nadine, I can explain.
You're a big fool boy. Me say, when the little fool boy see Nadine and talk, when he can explain to her. Me just want clot him with the tick. Me want clot him with the tick, but explain. And that she come on can say. But me not know how fly up in her head. He come like a rain if he bust in her head there. Because he give her a piece of mind. And if he didn't ever junk her more, should I get do like this? I need no explanation. You're disgusting. Your kids live here.
Neddy, let's calm down and not say things that we don't mean, okay?
I mean it. You're disgusting, Trevor, having some stripper in my damn house.
Disgusting? You want to know who's disgusting, Nadine? You for sleeping with the help to spite me. You are lower than the earth core and your throat is a friggin' graveyard for the gardener's unborn children. You nasty wretch.
Trevor? I just want you to know, Trevor, from now on you'll be sleeping on the couch every night. You disrespectful bitch.
Talking about disgusting. Rubbish! Like that river ton of a vagina you have between your legs.
Why, son? Me proud that you're no bumbleclot.
Yes, Father God. Yes, Father God. Boys, me never so proud of my son in my life. When time we move from country, come and told me never carry me. I feel no girl take it for fool boy. Eh? Let me tell you this. New level hand lock. Trevor no Trevor no more. This is a Trevor remix. You understand me? I said? You heard the man say? The man say her mouth is a graveyard for the garden. Me rock a foot. Hey sir. Who come bring some come give me the drink? Never did. Now imagine I was feeling a little bit sad in the beginning of the whole thing. And then she's going to come home and start disrespecting me out of nowhere. And I know I took it a little bit too far now. And the alcohol had a great part to play in it all, but Nadine needed some truth tonight, alright? And she got it. You understand? And I can tell you this right now, she unleashed a beast right now, because right now, Trevor doesn't give a damn, alright? With her goddamn graveyard. With her graveyard throat.
Negus Imara. Booby, you don't know, say you're the Negus this. Been a girl since the days of a fetus miss. Never no time in a need you, so please trust this. Fuck your hand in public like friends, we bum fist. Mana, dan dada, damn bala. Be a girl, more girl than grand gala. Da me no game that you get slam harder. Man a damn bala, get it from me granddad.